In this video, we're gonna move over theory of quadratic equation. Okay, what is theory of quadratic equation? The normal form of quadratic equation, we're having ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, let's divide both sides by the coefficient of x. If we are to divide both sides by coefficient of x, we are left with 3, okay, x squared. We are left with x square plus b over x, having b over a, and also we are having x plus c over a. We are having c over a, c over a, c over a, and it's equals to 0. Equals to 0. Okay, if the equation has root of alpha and beta, then it is equivalent to x. If this equation has a root of alpha and beta, so therefore we can just say x is equals to alpha, and then x again, it is equals to beta. It is equals to beta. Okay, or we can just say, bracket x minus alpha and also bracket x minus beta all is equals to 0. All is equals to 0. Okay, let's expand this bracket. If we are to say x times x, we are getting x squared, and also we are having our positive sign. Okay, no need of putting positive sign because we are to say x multiplied by negative beta, so therefore we are getting negative x beta. This was our beta, and therefore negative alpha multiplied by x, so therefore we are getting negative alpha x alpha. Therefore negative alpha multiplied by negative beta, we're getting positive alpha beta. Positive alpha beta and all is equals to 0. Okay, as we can see, we are having 0. So we can just say x squared it is the same as negative bracket alpha plus beta. Here is our alpha plus beta x, and also plus alpha beta. If you expand the bracket to say x multiplied by alpha, you are going to get x alpha, and also if you say x multiplied by beta, you are going to get x beta. Okay, all here is equals to 0. So therefore, as you can see from the first equation, that we divide both sides by a. Here is b over a, and therefore here is also alpha plus beta. So therefore we are just to see that alpha plus beta is equals to b over a, as we can see from here, b over a. So therefore we are to say b over a. The reason why we have the negative sign here is just that because in our expansion here we are getting a negative sign, we have negative sign. That is when we just put negative sign in alpha plus beta. Okay, let's see for alpha beta. For alpha beta, we're having c over a, as you can see, c over a, and it is positive. Therefore, c over a. Have a sheet of paper to write this down because it is very important, because we are going to solve some examples and using this formula. This is a formula. You have to know it. Alpha plus beta is equals to negative b over a, and alpha beta is equals to c over a. So this is how to prove these two formulas, and they are very useful to us in solving theory of quadratic. Let's see this problem. The question says if alpha and beta are the root of 3x squared minus 8x plus 5 is equals to 0. Compute alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Okay, let's put down our details. We are having a is equals to, we are having a is equals to 3, and for b is equals to negative 8. As we can see, a is 3, and here is a, and here is b, and here is our c, and c is equals to 5. Okay, let's have our solution. To find our solution, we have to find alpha, beta, and alpha plus beta. Let's start with alpha plus beta. We all know that alpha plus beta is negative b over a. Negative b over a, okay? Our b is negative 8. Yeah, our b is negative 8. So therefore we have to say negative 8. And our a is 3. As you can see, a is 3. So therefore we are having 3. So therefore, to solve this, alpha plus beta minus 8 over 3 is equals to, minus is plus 2. Therefore, we are just having 8 over 3. 8 over 3. So that's all for the first question. Okay, that's all for the first alpha plus beta. For now, we are moving to alpha beta. For alpha beta, we are to say alpha beta is equal to c over a, and c is 5 and a is 3. Alpha beta is equals to c over a. So therefore c is what? C is 5, and therefore a is 3. So that's all for alpha beta. This is a simple example on how to find alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Maybe in the next video we can see the symmetry of theory of quadratic equation. Thank you.